Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making plantain wrapped in bacon. For this recipe, I'll be using the ripe plantain. You can use any plantain of your choice. You can use the ripe plantain or the unripe plantain. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have 3 ripe plantains, bacon and grounded pepper. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Now I'm going to show you how I peel my plantains and how I'll be cutting it as well. I'll cut the ends of it. Then slice the skin with my knife from top to down. Then take it out. After that, I will cut it into smaller pieces in a circular shape. You can cut it any shape you want. Then put it inside the bowl. Now we add half teaspoon of grounded pepper, then mix it together. After that, I will take a piece of bacon, place it on the board, then take the cut plantain and wrap it in the bacon. I will line my pan with non-stick aluminum foil. Now we put the plantain wrapped in bacon on the baking sheet. After that, I will put it inside my preheated oven. It's at 200 degrees Celsius. I'll leave it to bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will show you how it looks. So guys, it's up to 30 minutes now. This is how it looks. As you can see, there are some oil on the pan. The oil is from the bacon. I did not put any oil when doing it. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my plantain wrapped in bacon. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.